Well, happy Halloween everyone. So in this video we are going with a Halloween theme. We're going to make some nice lovely hanging decorations. We bought these from Hobbycraft. I think they're still available, although I'm aware this is coming out on Friday night, so if you want to get them, I'd get in there soon and make your purchase. Just another warning coming up in this video, there's quite a lot of UV light use, so if you're light sensitive, please look away. I'll try and give you adequate warning as to when we're actually going to use it. So just going through looking at these, we've done the skull. There's quite a few other things in here, as we've seen. There's the ghost, there's the bat, there's the cat, there's the haunted house, then there's a pumpkin, and obviously there is also a hanging decoration that says Happy Halloween. So, as I've not already said it, happy Halloween from everybody here at Lottie Jasmine Designs. Hope you're enjoying the Halloween season and all the videos that have been coming up. So the first one we're going to decorate now, and we're going to use some UV resin. What I've put this decoration down onto is some of this great tape that you can buy. As we've said before in all our previous videos, everything that we use will be down in the description box should you wish to have a go at doing this yourself. So as you can see, we've pressed it down firmly enough. It creates I was going to say watertight, but obviously we're not using water, so it's a resin tight seal. And all I've done, just so it's easy to move, is I've put this on a little plastic lid. You can put it on a board, you can put it on a mat, you can put it on anything like that at all. So just pressing it down, making sure it's completely sealed. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use some of this lovely black resin. I'm also using a silicone tipped brush. You can use whatever you want, whatever you feel most happy using to apply this. So what we've used is UV resin with some black pigment mixed in. Black pigment from Vista Pigments. One of my favourite types of pigment to use. It's quite opaque. With these being wooden, a certain amount of the resin itself seems to have sunk in, which is, here we are, this is the cured piece, and as you can see, it's not leaked, it just seems to have sunk into the wooden decoration itself. Sorry, I can't think of the words then. So here we go, we're going to try again using some of these lovely pearlescent mica powders. Here we go, so this has obviously been sped up, and I'm adding in the different colours. I decided to put in, not to use the black in fact, to use the yellow, gold, the orange, and some Arctic white. So just using a micro brush here, just to fill in different bits, like the little windows and so on. Basically all the nice little sections of the haunted house. And I just realised at this point why I'm filling up these little windows and things. They should be full by now. And of course then when I realised, I pressed down on it and I saw leakage. So what I thought was a resin tight seal wasn't. So I've obviously turned it over there, if you can see on the back. Some of it had leaked out, so had to take it off the tape, wiped it, cleaned it out, and then this is me going for attempt number 2. So here we are. What we're going to do, we're going to probably use UV light soon, so just a little bit of a warning. We'll fill in a certain number of these lovely little windows in the haunted house. There we go. Just filling it. That's the one that's got some of this lovely iridescent glitter, and it's just in the clear resin, the UV resin. So yeah, just a warning that we've probably got the UV light. There we go. The UV light coming up. There we go. And this is just a bit sped up now where I'm doing the rest of the haunted house. Putting in these lovely Halloween themed colours of the oranges and the yellows, obviously black. And we've, not very Halloweeny, but the pearlescent-y colour in the clear. So there'll be some more UV light use coming up any moment. I'm just giving you a bit of warning if you want to look away. There we go. And coming up, I think, there we go, yep, so some more UV light use. So we've done a certain amount of it, we're just going to fill in the rest of these windows and the detail on the haunted house. I did enjoy doing this, although it was quite fiddly and time consuming. The other thing to remember as well is to always cure it from the other side as well. So you can pop it, turn your light upside down and pop it underneath. So there we are. That's it, completely cured. And as you can see, we've still got some where it's sort of the black has pulled away from the edges and sort of sunk into the wooden part of this lovely decoration. Yeah, as you can see over the back, we still got a bit of leakage, unfortunately, but you can rectify that by painting it black, or once it's completely cured on the front, turn it over and just pour some black, or carefully put some black resin over the back. So here's the other decorations. We've got the spider, the cat, the pumpkin or the jack-o'-lantern, and the skull. And I think these next few demonstration clips are sped up, so again, warning, there is quite a bit of UV light use coming up. So it's the jack-o'-lantern or the pumpkin first, then we've got the witch's cat. I love black cats, one of my favourites, black cats. Mr. Spider himself, there we go. Yeah, sorry, this is very sped up because I'm aware of the fact that this video is already quite lengthy. This is one of my favourites though, the skull. I think that's fabulous. Fabulous. Again, we just put them down on the tape, pressed them down, made sure that they were completely sealed, fingers crossed, and then proceeded to mix up the colours in the UV resin and put them on and cure them, and then there we go. So that's 3 there, where we've got the skull, the cat, and Mr. Spider. I think they look rather good. Oh, and here we go. Sorry, jack-o'-lantern as well. He's slightly out of shot, unfortunately. Apologies. There we are. And the haunted house. So, of course, what you can see on there is they have got some holes in the tops of them. You can put through your ribbon or your thread, or however you want to display them, hang them. You could hang them off of a Halloween themed garland. You could just hang them in your window, or you could put them on a piece of painted board and design them in some sort of picture, put them in a frame. So here's the other 4. We have Mr. Ghosty, we have the bat, we have the trick or treat sign with the bats, and we have the happy Halloween. So again, this next bit is going to be sped up. So we're doing the ghost first. Go, the bat and the trick or treat. Yeah, sorry, so this is rather quick. We are. Went in with some bit of black shadowing on that one, and the same on the happy Halloween sign. Really, really love these. It was a fun thing to do. Really was a fun thing to do. So there we are. Rather pleased with those. And there's the trick or treat. Fantastic. So once again, thanks ever so much for tuning in and watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tomorrow we are joining Claire's Crafty Corner with the Halloween collaboration. Please, please, please click your notification bell, because it's not a usual thing for us to upload on a Saturday, but we're taking part in the collaboration with a lot of other artists. Thanks ever so much again, everybody. Happy Halloween, and don't forget, before you know it, Christmas will be with us too. Take care, everyone. Bye.